Good morning, good morning, good morning, my people. Trouble, 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 trouble. Trouble there, my people, trouble there. It is getting deeper than I expected, and deeper and deeper and deeper. Like when them a drench the sea looking for oil. Yes, like them a drill the sea and I look for oil. I saw it getting deeper and deeper and deeper. So Curly, so true it has been said that someone have your social security number. You're crying out for foul? Which one of the foul you're crying out for? Rooster or hen? Common foul or machine foul? Or which one you call out for? Because me hear you bawling out, oh, you have my social security number? Alright. So, are you take out the money out of my book? What kind of money did you have in a book, Curly? But at that side, then say certain joke you know running, you have to be careful. Because sometimes you see a friend and you dip your hand in his pocket, he never have a dollar in his pocket. But as you dip your hand in his pocket, him lose 5,000, him lose 10,000. Sometimes him only have one like $300 in his pocket, and when you go down there and come up, him start tell you how much of 4,000 he did have and a 300 him have. Yes, man. So, them say them have Curly social security number. So you don't know say Curly now start ball foul. Like she ought to go up my jerk chicken center and she a ball foul. Then check the Curly say them going call a man in make Curly lift up Curly van. And them have much different details see Curly. And you know Curly now she now make that blow pass her, you know. Because she are the one out here that give us content. But yet still she no make nothing pass she. She take everything turn in her content. But when she come out here foolishly and talk all kind of things and expose herself and you thought she say as she a give away content. Because all this now me cut me eye pass it and listen. And just listen them and hear them attack. Because if nothing no go so, why you bite up yourself? Why you act up yourself? Why you go along like how you go along? Why you getting edgy and jiggy if you know say nothing no go so? Anyway, people, you know what to do. This video is going to be one short video. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Hit that thumbs up. The thumbs up give the video an algorithm. So it not just stay in our little space right here so. The algorithm push the video out to different sections of YouTube so other people can see, scroll, stop, look, fast, probably get up to where them see and like it, boom, them subscribe. So when you like the video, that's what the video do. The more likes the video get, and the more YouTube push the video. You understand? It just come like you sell some merchandise to a company. The more merchandise you sell, and the more the company give you merchandise because them realize he's a good salesperson. Well, it's the same thing. The algorithm push the video when you like it more. When you watch the ads now, that is very much more even important because 50 million somebody can watch a video through the algorithm where it get, you know. But the video still no benefit you because you know make no earnings off of it. But yet it get 50 million likes. And this is what me always tell Marcia say. Marcia now come out here come talk about how much likes you get, how much views you get. The views now have nothing to do with it. It's a support where you get pan the views. How much of those people watch the views? Watch the video and don't click through the video and don't skip the ads, them watch the ads. How much of them? So me with my little 2,000, 1,500 or 2,000, 3,000 views might make more than you with your 50,000 views. So please to watch the ads, that's how the channel get the revenue. The likes help us to attract more people. So if them see what them like and want come on board and them want like to and watch a video and watch the ads, it benefit us more. So they go fish the strangers with the likes that bring the algorithm. But really and truly, is when you watch the ads, the channel get a revenue. Yes, we want to attract more people, so more people can watch the channel and watch the ads, so the channel can gain more. But at the same time, you have to also watch the ads. Alright? And remember, the backup channel Life is a Mission TV on YouTube, family oriented channel, multi-purpose, different things over there. Later about the 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, I will post my Father's Day cooking. And you don't know, without the kids, we can't be a father, and without we, them couldn't there. So despite it was Father's Day, I also, give them a treat by looking after some smoothie, and issue to a couple of kids. Well, some of them come after me done video, and about 78 of them come when me a video. You understand? And stuff. So we also give the kids them a treat of some smoothie. Very expensive smoothie to not just throw it in a blender and blend up. Smoothie contain of supplement, cream, and you don't know the basic ingredients was like papa, breadfruit, banana, and almond milk. I make it the other day, and when I make it, one of them taste and I say, Lord, it's nice, you can't give me some more, because we did also do a fruit smoothie earlier. So every day they see me, them pressure me. So today I say, okay, which is Sunday, I say, alright, Father's Day, the kids them make we be a father, and we make them there. So don't celebrate it by yourself. Share it with them. Somebody just make some smoothie and just get them together. So when I go see that in the video, so I just go support the video over the backup channel Life is a Mission TV, where you see all of that tomorrow. I'm gonna cook some shrimp and thing for my Father's Day dinner. Nice, yeah. First me I try the rice there, Kendall, Jasmine. It can eat people. So I'm gonna support and follow me on TikTok also, Life is a Mission TV, and run over on the website and support the website charmsandtrends.shop. My Speak My Mind t-shirt over there, Life is a Mission t-shirt, caps over there, Speak My Mind caps, and you don't know the 30 ounce, 40 ounce, 32 ounce tumblers, you call it mug, real stainless steel, no fake, where as your quintet start rusty. Good thing to shop with Charms and Trends. You get what you want, customize. You can request what you want, customize. Alright? That's so the support. When you support me, you help me to continue to support the needy and not the greedy, where I have 5 persons I want to adopt, and I only can afford 2 right now, because I am a very committed person to my promise. Alright? So when I promise, I committed to my promise. I can't take on 3, 4 yet. Make sure I stay with 2 and see how it go. Alright? When me look at people, they might send a thing when them have it, and I can go 3 or stretch it to 4. I will stretch it to 4 till me know I can level and know say yes. I respond to them 5 people, yeah, cause me know where to come from to respond to them for the month. As I said, this month them can get a $10,000 or $15,000 bag of grocery. The following month they might get a $8,000 or $6,000 or $7,000. It is based on how I can. Alright? But what I sure of, they will get some form of grocery at the end of the month. Alright? How much it will be each month, I can't say. Alright? So I decide that. Anyway, I could jump to the video, because this thing I get deeper and deeper, and oi. Anyway, Marcia cry foul, said them take our money out of our book, because two the people them come and say them have our social security number, and them are threatening to make the state of Connecticut lift up our van mostly tomorrow, which is today. We do not see this video here. So we don't know what the outcome are going to be for the rest of the day. We don't see this video in the morning here. So we are going to watch and see if there's anything I going to blow out of proportion. So make we get into the video.
Let me get straight to the point. I'm back here then.
Oh, you mean sister? Straight to the point. Can't this the Rasta man at night.
If you know, want to sit down on that little slut dog Warren girl page and listen to her hypocrisy, a phone business. Dirty stinking land dog. Me not showing a white flag for you. Me ready for your bumbo clock anytime. You big pussy old girl, you don't have no social security number for me. Call who you want to call. Me want to see the power where you have.
Hold on.
Call police to come.
Alright. I don't know if it has said over there, say them have it, but what she has said now, she has said them don't have no social security number for her. But further down, she a go say, oh, now my social security, that simply mean you scam me, I want to take out my money out of my bank book. But remember, you just said them not have no social security number for you. So is it that the same thing that you accuse us of doing, take what you say and run with it and take it on content, are the same thing you do now, where the people them say you take it on content? So I not only you a feed the people, them a feed you too. Because if them never talk about this, you couldn't have a content to come out here come talk about. Now, you'd have probably start rewind all these things that you talk about on a daily basis. That you even accuse us of repeating like a broken record. So you see it? One and wash the other. You a feed me, me a feed you, she a feed you, you a feed she. And this is what I've been telling you from a long time. But you never did consider this. You consider about strike. And you try how much time and realize all of the grounds that you want to strike people on, it is not possible. All grounds you have tried to strike YouTubers out here for your content according to you and your pictures, it's nothing of solid ground that you can say you're going to strike because of the guideline of YouTube. Whatever the people them do, they must follow the guideline, and there's nothing to say yes you can strike. So me I tell this long time, the people them come out against you, you come out against them. You say something and them rebut it, you come back out and you rebut with them and say they rebut for you. And you have a jolly time. You understand? See it you do now. Because you're going to say them not have no social fear, but you don't listen further down now in the video where she going to say yes, and them going out, them take out her money out her bank book and one bag of sit. No, listen. Content.
If you think your blood clot bad, you can stay on your phone and fabricate all kind of story. Me come here, me and pick me where Jamaica, me go suck your blood clot thinking girl we call by the phone. Remember, you know, are you incriminate yourself? Me screen record every blood clot where you chat all day. And let me tell you,
you know if you do that though?
Stinking cesspool, big pussy girl.
You know over screen record?
Kiss me if you think your blood clot bad. I mean want you. So they should take this thing too far.
Rotted. I sit down in my own space, my own private, having my own privacy. I don't have to be hiding the camera. I don't have to be muting my phone. I don't have to be doing anything. What a independence. When you can sit in the comfort of your own space. Huh? Me no out a road. Me there's somewhere me claim to say I'm a shelter. And like me and all a picnic around me. I mean I'm nice market area or shop or out a road in the public. But it's still. Me have to be careful of my tone of voice. People that pass me have to hide my phone because I don't want them catching my background for the people. Them go draw them up and zoom them in. Eh? Marcia, this is how you live a big deal life? This is how you live your rich and famous life? Your best days? Is this your... Well, this are better days than where they lived 2 years ago still. So, me not have a problem with that part when you say you're living your best life, because 2 years ago, this is a life you never live it. You're coming like a jailer. The only thing you have freedom. But you get 3 meals a day. No rent to pay. No water, no light, no bills. Only jailer live them their life there, you know. And you know, picnic, you know. Only jailer live them their life there. The only difference you do it come like you're there on parole. So you're free to go on road and come back in as you have a mind. Just like when some of the jail prisoner them that jail, a prison, and them they on parole where they can come out on weekend and them come back in Monday morning. And that type of life the Marcia live. Yes, jail a type of life she live. 3 meals a day, no rent to pay, no bills, nothing at all. She didn't have a husband to obey. But guess what? It is not an independent life. I am sitting right here now. Nobody have no kids here. I'm in the home of my own privacy. Unless somebody come out, they know I call me and might pause the phone. If you go out, they go listen what them say. But me now nobody a passing on my camera, me have to go so. Not even when me sit down in my yard. And at the same time, my sister is here with her son. And I still have privacy at times. And them know when me I do my video, they have to walk around so. You might see them that a distant pass. But not in front of me have to cover up. So you not live no life, Marcia. But you come out here and make it look like you're living your best life. A prisoner life you live. A parole life you live. You're a prisoner with on parole. You just have freedom, can't come out at weekend time. Because you're on good behavior. After spending how much years behind bars. Marcia, they're on parole.
Me just a wait. So if you believe, say, what no go on with my social media, can shake me. And about she run keep up on me and me coming from me at 20 a year old. Me a pit near Jamaica. Me hold this and me hold that. It's okay. It's alright.
Okay, it's alright.
I have my social security
Okay.
number. If you have my social security number, that's your no. If you think your blood clot bad, if you have my social security number, you have to tell the police officer where you get it from.
You know,
That
just
means
say
if
she
you
not
have
have
my
it.
social security number,
So why
that
fretting?
means that you are stealing my money out of my bank account. If you have my social security number, that means you are the person that money been missing out of my account.
Lord me God.
So guess what happened? If you have my social
Accusation.
security number, that means there's a scammer, and you're using my name. So tomorrow morning, I will just call the police and tell the police, say, you know what? I think I have evidence that this lady on social media named Angela Merchant have my social security number. So check for those people who are scamming money out of my bank account and shopping at Walmart.
So hold on, Marcia.
What about that?
So Marcia, have you cried foul about this before now? That people are scamming money from your bank account and shopping at Walmart? Was there a cry before now that this person comes out and say them have your social security number? Was it a cry before now? Me remember of hearing a cry before now that, oh, someone goes into my account and take my money. Oh, and they are shopping at Walmart with my cards and this and tarot and whatsoever. And then if somebody take the money out of your account, all you know say at a Walmart, them go shop. You are the one that take, you have a report said that person is the person that taking the money from your account and go to Walmart, go shop. So all you know exactly when them take the money out of your account, them have the live cash now. So all you know say Walmart them go. Make it make sense, Marcia. Remember now you never say your credit card them using or your debit card, you say them go at the bank and take out your money and then go to Walmart and shop. All you know say Walmart them go. Or you never know say Walmart, Wamazon or Zamazon. All you know exactly where them go. So that's a cross question there for the police, you know. Not teaching nothing still.
Because remember, Jamaica is known for scamming. So if I've been screaming you all day long.
So that's why you have to spread the propaganda.
And you say you have it and you're going to dash it out. So tell the police officer how you get it. And then they're probably going to investigate you to see how you have my social security number. So maybe it's you and your people in my social media that are going into my account and stealing my money and shopping with my money before I change my card. So what about that? Because remember, Jamaica is known for scamming. So come, Angela Merchant, be ready for your blood clot.
Oh, you mean?
You're gone very far now. But people, don't sit on our page and listen to our story. Because she said, my brother said, him don't watch me. My brother said on the phone, I don't know her. I only watch you. My nephew them watch me. My sister them watch me. The whole of my cousin them they write us up on YouTube. Them just not type in. Some of them type in. Some of them even go over they go cuss out her blood clot and she block them. Some of them go over they go cuss out her ass and she block them. Them not stop this sorrow from the other day. My own family them.
A company you look for
Me
your
nah
family,
ask
man.
you.
Lie you tell.
So me, no say you stream me. Me ready for your pussy clot. I want.
You look company for your family, Marcia. Lie you tell.
Try me.
Your family them you love you like that.
Marcia,
Especially
clot,
cousin.
Me
Cousin.
push party,
Better you
them
say your
hold
sister them
them
and then you
back
couldn't say your sister them because you say your sister them are decent people.
Power you have to call. I make them
Marcia, you tell lie, man. You tell lie. Me had the hear talk about cousin. So all your cousin will go up on social media for cuss see you where you and them now live good. You don't even talk about them. Why they are bring them down say them a carry news, come get blagger on social media against you. And them ungrateful. You understand? Better you say your sister or your brother. And then them only do it neither because you say them in a social media. That you say, you know. Me frightened if you hear you say your brother, this is your brother, this is your brother, that, and your brother say, oh no, you him listen to, him not listen to nobody else or social media. So your brother will not have no time and have so much business and whatsoever, find time for just listen to you just so. So me could have a sister like you and sit down on social media and listen you and bring down yourself and at times bring down me. Could you too lie.
pick up my vehicle. Me want to see that. You want to try me? Stinking warring girl. You want to try me? Let me go near my dinner. Me can't wait for tomorrow if you call them to come take up my vehicle. You stinking blood clot slut dog, you. Me have enough for your bumper clot. Try me. Marcia blood clot Campbell. If you think you're a ass bad, try me. And blood clot yourself with my man. Try me. If you think the name blood clot Erica Merchant, dash out, come show me security number. If you think your name blood clot Erica Merchant, come pick up my bumper clot vehicle out the south. Me working on me, I have money in my bank account. Me not broke.
So them
So
say
let
court
me
none.
tell you something. Una pussy clot. Stay over there, son, and listen to our hypocrisy where she a chat. And watch the blood clot ride between me and her.
Watch the ride.
No peace around here. No blood clot.
Zigzag ride.
Try me. If you think
Roller
you're
coaster.
slow down.
Make sure your stomach strong. Pad it up with newspaper and have nothing making in your mouth.
Prostitute, two bitch, yellow Belgium. And your Batman blood clot ugly black son. Try me. You want to try me?
How will you treat yourself?
Let's see.
How will you
I'm gonna
rasta,
pull up
ja?
first. Let's see. Try me now. Try me. Thiefing, scamming girl. We are trying to scam me. Oh, you have a social security number, so you are scam me. Well, tell that to the blood clot police. How you get my social security number? Are you talking video, you know?
But hold on, Marcia. For a case like this supposed to be FBI case now. But me no hear you talk about FBI. Because this is a federal thing now, you know. For somebody have your social security number without your consent, you know. So, oh, you not talk about federal. Eh? But, look at YouTube using your content and using your picture, you go to FBI office. But no, you want to go to local police. And this you have to talk about FBI now because this is a federal thing. Someone have your social security number, where them get it from and you give them. Eh? When you talk about FBI, you not talk about FBI, you talk about the local police.
That you have my social security number, you know? Try me. Try me. You want to try me? You can't stay on your blood clot page and chat talking a fuck years old. How me come America, how me a pit near Jamaica and whatever. Try me. Try me. Yes, me coming from here 26 years old. Yes. Me not fuck from here 6-year-old like you. Try me.
Well, sir, that's a spot you have now. Because you work it out.
Do all the things the way say I do. Tomorrow, if you think you're blood clot bad.
If a war no want make it start,
You're too enough.
make them come lift up my van
Oh, you
tomorrow
have the
and see
social
how it
security number,
start.
and you are call this and you
If
are
a
call that.
war no
And
want,
I
just
owe
make it
this and I owe
start.
that. Well, if
Make
me
them
owe
come
something,
lift up my
unblock
van tomorrow
can't
and
claim
see if
here.
it
You
no
suffer
start.
girl them out there. Yeah? Sit down on the page and try to look money. Go work, bitch. Go sell your thing in big front. Go work. Then the story the way I tell on social media go blood work before you get yourself in a trouble. Go work before you get yourself in a problem. Because let me tell you something. The people on social media are stranger to you. You don't know them. They only see you on the camera. They can't help you. Money can't help you. They can't help you when you shut up yourself in a one of them never ending pussy hole. They can't help you. They only come on the page and boost you up, but it look like them don't know the laws and the rules and the regulation.
Look who is
If you
talking.
think your blood
Look who is talking.
send one reaper, you can reap it. Me I go see a who for truck them a reaper. Me I go tell you so you can't see over your page and tell people say you have my file. You don't have one blood clot file. You take off my license plate. Where you send people got Golden Cross. Me have the video from the man. Where you send. And my vehicle park out a Golden Cross. And you send the man come, they go take your license plate and my truck and post it on your page. And say, look bomber clot. Me could have make the man lick you in your head. And you tell me, say you make the man trail me from Long Island and come to Queens. And you say that, not me. Me have a whole heap of evidence by your blood clots.
Lord, me God. Oh, I'm
yes,
nervous.
My license plate and my name and run
You're
things,
not
but
hoping
let
I
me
have
tell you
none for me, me
something.
nervous.
Come talk about you have my social security number. The only thing you have is your dead man body where you have a Canada, and your long or stretch out pussy will two daughter them, and your son will push out, and you never only prostitution work.
Picnic.
And prostitution pick them you have.
You have to go a picnic.
The man never married for love.
And when people go for your picnic, you have a... Anyway, me leave that part there alone.
That's
Me
why
leave
they
that
like
part
you.
there alone.
So why your blood clot one Erica Merchant, Angela Merchant, is pussy clot warrior get. My money in my bank account ready for your blood clot.
Ready like Freddy.
Work and me get paid. So come, start.
You look
where
at
you can't
2.8
finish.
penny
And
here,
when
Brad
you start
Fan.
where you can't finish, make sure say you have evidence. Because you come out and say you have my social security number, tell the authorities how you get my social security number. And tell the authorities if you have a documentations that I give you to sign to go and Google me up on social media and come dash out on internet on big stage like this. Me want you see, me want you give me that authorization. The only person that have authorization to look me up is my baby father. Because he's the only one that is on my proxy. And all my documentation that
his
is
address,
legal in
you
the
know
United
why?
States.
Because his address is the only fixed address you have in America after 40 odd years. And you don't live at the address. You have no other address that you can use but his address. So that's why him alone might have certain details for you. Because up to now, for all of your documents them right now, a firm address or your fixed address where you not live for years. You don't feel a sort of way if you don't have a personal fixed address. Where if something happen tomorrow morning, you know say boy a year place, yeah go. Or a year place whatsoever happen people are take you. Eh? You don't feel a sort of way. You have to be used. Oh, sorry, your so-called baby father. Your so-called baby father. Because I don't think it's the one that's in the club you're talking about. So your so-called baby father. You're not tired for you use him address as your fixed address after how much years you have not been there with him to even spend the night. I tell you, say your priority you need to get straight. All them things are things where you have to sort out in a life. Those things are priority. How much more years you are going to use in theme address as your fixed address? If you have to use an address in doing any form of documentation a theme address you have to use because you can't use the Marriott. You can't use the rest of hotel them around the world. And you can't use the cruise ship. So you have to use same one. So you see all these things when we talk about the Marriott, the cruise ship and all these something, they are not relevant to you in a time of certain needs. Because you cannot register say you live on the cruise ship. You can't say you live on the Marriott. You know, see not even a parcel you can't even receive at the Marriott for how much days and weeks you spend there, despite it was during Corona time when nobody now take in nothing of them place just so. But even now you go there, you can't talk about can't to the front desk. Based on my understanding. You understand? So you saw it needed to have a place of residence where you can call your own, whether you pay rent, mortgage, or your own. Good God, get your priorities straight, girl.
To look me up or to go to anywhere to get any information on me which is not public. So you can stay there, come out and I dash out people people things. So me no sit down here and wait and make me see one police go take my vehicle. Call them. Me say, people, maybe sooner or later on tonight, I'm gonna finish eat my food. You get it? Good night.
Question, say she a question because she a post the people them love her.
Just stay by your page. If una people
Or live in job
want
she
to
dey
take
on.
up foolishness with a woman over there chat say and get yourself in a trouble, spread all what you want spread over social media. Cause me know the truth. Cause I pay a lie over there tell you. Me not ask you. Pay a lie. And I dare you, stinking old girl, open up tunnel, prostitute girl.
You can't push your nose on the people them foot so.
Ugly stepsister picking them. And your big old dirty black batty boy son.
You can't push your head and nose on the people them crutches, sir.
Dirty stinking Angela Merchant. I want to see you. Frig yourself with me. Me ready for you. And what you want? A blood clad war. You're going to get.
If a war you want, make it start. Me now if it come a Portland feed kick off. Me can stay right to America and it come off. Because remember me man run down a Jamaica and him out no foreign. So if a war you want, make it start.
Them only give you one like a $10 and $5 and $6. Well, me blood clot ever bless Marcia. Your blood clots fuck yourself with me. Me not ask you. This a time, yeah? No turning back. So, me go sit down here tomorrow and you call them who you want to call. And if a few on them truck, tell them to go and get that blood clot.
So what you fretting about? You say you buy your truck cash.
If you know about
so what kind of repo you fret
and
about?
when you go Google and when you go see certificate become illegally, go take my name and license plate and go in a business, go tell them things, and you illegally, you go do that. You know?
So Marcia, it sound like something really out there. Because you say you buy your truck, you get your partner draw, that you say. And you buy your truck cash. So you're not supposed to worry about when nobody just say about repo and them call and give out your information for them come take up your truck, wreck up your truck and what you afraid for? No sir, you make me feel confused, you know. Let's see how it go anyway.
I have no authorities because me no sick. I ain't sick. Me no give you no documentation sign and says Erica the landlord and none of your friend them figure put in information in a paperwork. Cause nobody now look for me. For you now work for the FBI, you now work for the CIA, you now work for criminal justice and nothing like that. And me nobody now look for me and you know take up your friend them and you go take up yourself about say you go check things and come out with something where you don't know about. Behind closed door where you see. And you and me not give authorization to do certain things. Then how we are talk to? Well, let the show begin.
Oh yeah. Superstar.
If you think say them out there laugh.
Hey, Marcia just barely miss out. in a Tyler Perry new show, you know. Rastafari. If Marcia never get Tyler breaking out a show there, the way that a show I talk about, and people are say, Lord God, it's emotional bad. If Marcia never in a show, they can't hold her right now. You could even not talk and call her name right now. Because she even not chatting to no more than just hear boop boop. Like when the England phone them a ring. Boop boop. Boop boop. And you hear lawyer call you know. But if you glad Marcia not get through with Tyler Perry, because me know she in that show there. I don't know couldn't hold her.
Come and talk about, you're beating her bad. Beat me bad? You're beating yourself bad. Do you not know where you pick up on yourself? You know where you pick up on yourself? Huh? Do you know? Do you know where you pick up on yourself? I tell you, you know. There's a blood clot full man. Me not ask you. There is a blood clot full man. Me not ask you. The real full man. You make this YouTube money, I turn you into idiot. And you make this YouTube money, I get in a serious problem.
But Marcia, a whole heap of serious problem you're supposed to you know, if so be the case. Whole heap of serious problem. Away make you in a serious problem. Not true the problem them not turn over upon you yet. But what make you in a so much problem? A YouTube money or just to say you're an entertainer? Huh? Isn't that? You're just doing it to say, oh, okay, you're funny. Oh, you're jovial. Oh, you can make people laugh. Oh, I'm an entertainer out here. Or you are doing it for YouTube money too. Well, let me tell you the whole way out here have a monetized channel. I do what we are do for money. Because listen this. If it's not for money, you don't have to monetize your channel. But who's going to have a channel out here, whichever app you're there on, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, no, we call the next one there, all of them there up there, we are pay money. You go dip on it and you go through the criteria of monetizing your channel. And you go sign up money you want. So why you monetize your channel? Don't monetize it. Just continue to do what you do for free. Entertain the people. Bring what kind of message you have to bring across. And bring it across for free. So all of we out here over YouTube so we monetize your channel. If I even $50 we are work for or $50 we are get because your channel not get a break yet or get the bus yet. We still accept the $50 at the end of the month and I hope it grow at some point. So our money we come out here and do it for. But the thing is what you do and what you have to do. And the stoop where you have to stoop low. Forget the money. That is the problem. You understand? So now come out and come talk about YouTube money like you have a monetized channel out here and still trying to monetize when it takes so long. That you never deal with again. I couldn't tell you last year and you go post even ILO. So if it wasn't for money, plus if it wasn't for money, you wouldn't over here, you're still over Facebook. Okay.
You know what you're doing?
Anyway, people, we are come to the end of the video.
Why my nose so big? It's easy to smell your think in front.
Why? You can't push up your face and nose and a woman catches and man catches you, man. Your heart, must say that's why your nose big so for you. But all my one big and me not smell and nobody catches.
Exactly what you
Eh? Anyway, people, we come to the end of another video.
You don't.
Want to know what to do? Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV and YouTube. And follow me also on TikTok like Life is a Mission TV. As me say, for all our own diaspora want to know what is going on. Because I don't know whether I'm a politician or not a politician, you know. I don't want to know what is going on in the governance of the country. So, stay tuned. Get on yourself. Subscribe to the Life is a Mission TV channel on YouTube if you're not subscribed yet. And get yourself also following me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Because all of that campaign will start already. But me just wait till it eat up some more. I will be carrying these things. Right? The live will be done on TikTok. And videos will be done on Life is a Mission YouTube channel. But the lives of these things will go on TikTok, because you don't know the music can play on TikTok, but you can't play the music on YouTube as a copyright. You understand what I say to you? And no matter where them I say, everyone will have a monetized channel, as me say, I look at dollar for whatever we do, whatever we carry out here and say a content. So I'm just gonna get to yourself ready up over the two life is a mission, both YouTube and TikTok. All out in the diaspora, we want to stay a little bit closer to the whole campaign leading up to the election. We know say the election due September. When it will call, we don't know. But it due September, and the campaign eats up. But over them place later then, not over here. So. Alright, so I'm going to get myself in tune. And please remember to continue to support the website of charmsandtrends.shop. Go over there and support my merch, t-shirts, caps, tumblers, mugs, anything customized. Where you see, you can get it. Alright? Bless upon yourself. Happy Monday. Remember the slang. Don't eat no Sunday, Monday for no breakfast and no lunch. And got the people them work, go sleep, make nigga right. Take the better on. Wait till you come home, you eat it for no Monday dinner. So by the time you eat it and drop asleep, and you get up back and bathe and fresh up and go back to bed for wake to work a morning, you fresh again. Not to mention most on the way do certain work where you know you have to have an eye on focus, because you know we get damaged on the job. Sunday, Monday no nice to eat. Because that will make you get weary down, and they will realize the chainsaw come. They will realize the hammer go knock the nail and chipper. You understand me? Alright, so we're going to get a full understanding. Bless upon yourself and peace out. Happy Monday again.